Welcome viewers to Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic is Préposition Française, French prepositions. French prepositions is a very important part of the French grammar and language. In today's class, I will be showing you how to implement some important French prepositions correctly and properly. I'll be showing you some sentences and how to implement properly and correctly. I'll be showing you. Okay. Before starting today's topic, first of all, I wish you and all of my viewers, friends and students and well-wishers of the channel the Happy New Year 2024 in advance. Okay. And before starting today's topic, please permit me to let you know that I have launched two courses in French language. One is French Communicative course and other is Self-Guidance French Speaking course. And the French Communicative course is mainly covering a very good part and very effective part of the communicative aspects of the language. And the Self-Guidance course are mainly giving you a coverage of almost all the important topics of the French language and all major tenses of the French grammar. And mainly these two courses are very much effective, and the persons or students who are interested to visit France or any other French speaking countries for the purpose of higher studies, business or job purposes, and the persons including the Canadian immigration jobs, that is who are interested for Canadian immigration or Canadian jobs industries and Canadian jobs aspirants will also be benefited from these two courses. These are very short-term course and online course. You can comfortably join and follow the course online. Okay. And the busy executives, corporate executives or students who do not have enough time to attend the classes in any institutions or learning centers, they will also be benefited from these courses. If you are interested to join this course, you can contact me. My contact details are given in the video description. Before starting today's topic, I will be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. Please like and share the video lessons, because like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic, Prépositions Françaises. Thank you. Let's start the topic, Prépositions Françaises. This type of instruction is given in the question regarding prepositions. Complétez avec les prépositions données. Complete with the prepositions given. Okay. Some prepositions are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 prepositions are given and 6 sentences will be given in this type of question. That you have to implement the prepositions in the blank spaces given in the sentence properly and correctly. So first of all, to solve this type of questions, the main point you have to remember that one thing, you should have a knowledge of the English meaning, regarding English meaning of the prepositions given. The first preposition is derrière. Derrière, English meaning is behind. Sous. Sous is below, that is under or with. Autour. Autour is around. En face. En face is in front. And depuis is since. And pendant. Pendant is during. Okay. Without having the knowledge of English meaning regarding the prepositions, you cannot solve comfortably this type of questions. Now, please take down in your copy the list of prepositions given. Now I am showing you one by one the sentences, and 6 sentences I will be showing you, and 6 prepositions given we will implement in the 6 sentences properly. Okay, this is the main thing. Let's start the one by one the solution of sentences. Please take down in your copy the list of prepositions. The first sentences, sentence number 1. Nous habitons à Paris. Nous habitons à Paris. La blank space is given, then la naissance de notre fils. This is the first sentence. Okay. English meaning is nous habitons à Paris, blank space, la naissance de notre fils. We live in Paris. La naissance de notre fils means the birth of our son. So what is the appropriate prepositions from the list given? So you have to select the meaning of the prepositions given in the list. I have already given you that the appropriate prepositions for this sentence is depuis. Depuis is the answer. Depuis. Nous habitons à Paris depuis la naissance de notre fils. English meaning, we live in Paris since the birth of our son. Okay? This is the complete answer for this sentence. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. I am going for the next sentence. Okay. The next sentence, the sentence number 2. Je préfère le thé dash sucre. Okay, I prefer the tea sucre. Sucre is sugar. I prefer the tea sucre. So what will be the appropriate? The answer is su from this list. Okay, su is the correct preposition for this sentence. Su means with. I prefer the tea with sugar. Okay, this is the complete answer for this question. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. Number 3. Michel va au Canada. Michel va au Canada से vacances देते. Okay, this is a complete sentence. Now the blank space you have to fill with a appropriate or correct prepositions being selected from the list. Okay, Michel va au Canada. Michel's proper name. Michel goes to Canada. Se vacances d'été. That is his vacations. Vacances is vacations. Summer vacation. D'été is summer. That is the season. Name of the season. Summer. His summer vacations. Vacation. Okay. So what will be the appropriate prepositions? That is the answer will be pada. pendant. The complete answer, Michel va au Canada pendant ses vacances d'été. Michel goes to Canada during his summer vacation. Okay, this is the complete answer. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. Number 4. Il y a un loup. Il y a un loup, blank space, de l'arbre. Okay? What is the meaning? There is a wolf. There is a wolf, then blank space, de l'arbre. L'arbre is tree. Okay. So what will be the appropriate or correct prepositions for this sentence? Is the first one in the list, derrière. Derrière is the answer. Il y a un loup derrière de l'arbre. That means behind. There is a wolf behind the tree. Behind the tree. Okay? This is the complete answer for this question. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. Sentence number 5. L'école est juste. L'école est juste, blank space, de la Tour Eiffel. Okay. The school is just de la Tour Eiffel. What will be the correct prepositions? En face, from the list. En face. The complete sentence, l'école est juste en face de la Tour Eiffel. That means the school is just in front of the Eiffel Tower. Okay? This is the complete answer for this. En face is the correct prepositions from the list. Is your answer. Okay. Now we have implemented almost all the prepositions excepting one. One preposition is remaining from the list. Please take down in your copy the last sentence I am showing you, and the remaining prepositions will be implementing in the last sentence. The last sentence is sentence number 6. Okay. Les garçons jouent de l'arbre. Okay. Les garçons jouent de l'arbre. The boys play or playing de l'arbre, the tree. Okay. Now one preposition is remaining in the list. That is autour. This is the answer for this sentence. The complete answer is Les garçons jouent autour de l'arbre. The boys are playing around the tree. Okay? This is the complete answer for the last sentence. That's all for the today's class. I'll be coming with a next grammatical topic of the French grammar in my next video lessons. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.